And second is the variable products. What is a variable product? A variable product lets you sell one product with multiple options such as size and color. In size we have like small size, medium, large, XL. And in colors we have like black, white, blue, red, etc. Each variation can have its own price, stock and image. And now I will show you how to create this variable product because it is having different variations. So let me select this variable product. I will show you how to add title, sale price, normal price, and also in order to click on add to cart, in order to add any products to the cart, you need to select the variations like black color, medium. Then only you can this add to cart button will be enabled. Okay, after selecting the variations, you can select variations as per your requirement like red or blue or white color. Okay, black, small. So here the price will be changed as per the variation. Okay, I will show you how to create this product. To learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel Balasar Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course like how to create simple product, variable product, group product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. So in order to create, go to backend, click on this again, go to all products option, click on this add new product option. Let me close this. So now let me add t-shirt. Let's add title as t-shirts. Okay, and let me select this short description and let me copy this short description over here. And now let's select this long description and let's paste this long description in the long description section. You can also change this format to paragraph to heading 5. Okay, and make it italic or else normal. Okay, now after selecting this option, after adding title, description, in the product data section you need to select this option from simple product to you need to change this variable product. Okay, because this is a variable product, click on this got it option. Okay, after selecting the variable product, click on this publish option, and now let me add this product image. So select the product image, go to upload files. I will select all these t-shirts and click on open. Let me upload it. Initially I will select this black color t-shirt and click on this select product image. This is the primary image I will select. After adding the product image, click on this update option. Now we need to add variations. Okay, here you can see we are having like different variations like color variation and size variation. Okay, na? Like we called it as attributes, color attributes and the size attributes. Before adding remaining options, we need to create an attributes. Okay, let me open this website in new tab, go to dashboard option. So you don't close this tab. Okay, open link in new tab and go to dashboard and go to this product section option, and under this product section here you can see this attributes option will be visible. You need to select this attributes option. Now we need to add attributes. Okay, like color attribute or size attribute. Okay, after selecting the attribute, click on name. Here we need to add name as color. So I want to add color attribute. Select this color attribute, click on enable archives option and click on add attribute, and here you can see we have added the color attribute, and next we will add size attribute. So select the size over here, select the size, click on enable archives, click on add attribute. Now we are having two attributes like color attribute and the size attributes. Now we need to configure the terms. Like what are the terms? For the color we are having terms like black, blue, red. For the size we are having configure terms as small size, small, medium and large. Okay, first let me select this color option and click on this configure terms. Now let's add colors. So first let me add black. Okay, click on add new color. Next let me add red, click on add new color. Next we need to add color as blue. So as per this class I am adding only 3 colors. You can add few more colors also. Okay, so initially I want the color to be displayed as black after the red and blue. So for that, first let me align the black in first position and red in second position and blue in third position. Okay, so that it will be aligned like this. Okay, one after another. So after configure these terms, so again click on this attributes option. Now we need to configure the terms for the size. So select this configure terms for the size, and we need to add for small I'm selecting as S, click on add new size. For medium size I'm selecting as M, click on add new size. For large size I'm selecting as L. Okay, after selecting L, click on add new size, and now I want to display small sizes starting, and middle should be in the middle and large should be in the large, small, medium and large. Okay, after adding these 3 options, now let's go back to attributes option. Here you can see we have added the color attributes and the size attributes and their terms also. Okay, now after adding these attributes, again let's go back to this option, previous tab. Okay, click on this refresh option. Here we need to add the attributes. Okay, first In the general section, click on this taxable, and tax class should be like GST 5%, and go to inventory section. Okay, in order to add any stock management or SKU over here, okay, you can add as per your requirements. If you want to add like t-shirt 001, now go to this attributes option. We need to select this attributes option. Okay, you need to select the product data as variable product. After selecting the variable product, you need to add the attributes. So on the product data, you need to select the variable product. After adding the attributes, you need to come to this page and refresh this page and click on this attributes option. Here we need to select the product attributes. Okay, now under this add existing, enable this. Here you need to select an attribute. Okay, first we will select this color attribute. Okay, if it is closed, please to click on this option to expand it. Okay, whenever you click on this option, it will be closed. Okay, so in order to open this, click on this. Okay, again double click on this, so it will be expand. Okay, now I have selected the color option. This is a color attribute. Okay, and after selecting the color attributes, you need to enable these two options like visible on product page and user for variations. And here you need to select the values. What are the values we have given here? For colors we have given like black, red and blue. You need to select those options. If you click on select all, so all the options will be visible over here. Okay, if you are having only two variations like only blue t-shirt and red t-shirt, you can select only two options. If you are having black t-shirt also, you can select this black t-shirt. Okay, you can select as per your requirements. Okay, so every time whenever you add attributes, you need to select the values also. Please to click on this. First let me add black value, next let me add red, next after that let me add blue color. Okay, now I have selected all the variations. Again go to this add existing option, click on this size attribute. Now we need to select the size attribute and you need to enable this both options and you need to select the values. First let me select this small value and next let me select this medium value and later let me select this large value, small, medium, large. After selecting attributes and selecting their respective values, please do click on this save attributes option. So after making the changes, okay,
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
now let's go to this variations option. Here we need to create variations. We have added the attributes. Here you can see we have added the attributes black, red, blue, small, medium, large. Next after selecting the attributes and their respective values, click on this variations option and here you need to select this generate variations option and click on this. Here the pop-up will be open like this. You need to click on this OK option. Now the variations will be generated. Here you can see we are having total 9 variations. Why 9 variations? Because we have given like for color we are having blue, black, red, blue, and for size we are having three terms. So here 3, here 3, 3 3s are 9. Like black small, black medium, black large 3. Okay, red small, red medium, red large 6. Blue small, blue medium, blue large 9. Okay, if I add like white color, it will be like 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 variations will be there. Okay, I have added only 3 colors. Okay, that's all. Black small, black medium, black large, red small, red medium, red large, blue small, blue medium, blue large. Now for this each variation we need to add. If I expand this, just click on this, it will be expanded. For this each variation we need to add image, SKU and also regular price, sale price, and also you can enable the stock management, weight, dimensions, shipping class. For each variations you can add different customizations. Okay, we can add different variations. Okay, so for black small, let me expand this and click on this. First let me upload the image, select the black color image, click on select the variation, and you can also add like a SKU also over here. Okay, if you want to add stock management for this black color, you can also enable this. Okay, let me add for black small variation will be hello. Here we need to enable the manage stock option. Here we will add regular price as like 399 rupees and sale price as 299 rupees, and you can also add stock quantity as like 20. Okay, and now let's go back and here please do expand like black small, select the upload image, click on black color image, select the black image, and you can enable this stock management. And here this is 499 and sale price is 399, and here stock quantity is like 32. Okay, now let's close this. Let me close this also. Now let's add black large. Please do select the image, black color image, select the black color image, and please do enable this manage stock option. And this is a variation and 599 and sale price is 499. Okay, and stock quantity is like let me select 22. Close this, and now let's add red small. Now let's select red color t-shirt. Please do select red color t-shirt and enable this manage stock option. And we need to add variations. Each variations we need to add all the details. Okay, and for regular price we will select like 399, sale price 299, and for stock management let me select 12, 15, and let me select red medium. Please do select red color image again, select variation. Please do enable this manage stock and add price as like 499 and sale price as 399. Okay, and stock quantity should be like 33. Let's add 33 stock quantity. Let me close this. Now let's add red large. Please to expand this. Select this. Select the upload image. Set variation and enable this manage stock option. And let's add variation as 599 and sale price as 499 and stock quantity should be like 19. Okay, let's add 19. Let me close this and now let's add blue small. Select this blue color image, blue color t-shirt, select the variation and now let me enable this manage stock option. Let's select the variation as 399 and sale price should be 299 and stock quantity will be like 46. Okay, let me close this. Now let's add variation for another variation, blue medium. Let me select the t-shirt image, blue color t-shirt image, select variation, select this manage stock option and there will be like 499 regular price and sale price will be 399 and stock quantity will be like 26. Okay, let me close this again and now let's enable this blue large. Let's select blue color t-shirt, set variations, enable this manage stock option and regular price will be 599 and sale price will be like 499 and stock management will be like 30. Okay, after making the changes, after adding all the variations, you need to all add variations for the each quantity. Okay, you need to add variations for each option like black small, black medium, black large, all these options like 9 variations. After adding all the variations, you need to click on this save changes option. Okay, after making the changes, please to click on this update option. Click on this preview changes option in order to preview the changes. Here you can see this is a t-shirts and here you can see this is a short description and you need to select the options. In order to click on add to cart, in order to enable this add to cart option, you need to select the variations. Let me select the variations as black, select the variations as small, then only add to cart button will be enabled. You can select the quantity as per your requirement and click on this add to cart option. Okay, for medium, for red color, for blue color image. Okay, it will be visible like this. You can also add a gallery section. Select this product gallery option. Let me add gallery section to add to gallery. Okay, and click on product tags like t-shirts. Okay, red t-shirt, click on add. Okay, and let's add product category. Click on add new category and here we will add as variable product. Type variable product and click on add new category. Let me disable this uncategorized, only select variable product. Okay, you can also add a like brand's name, like add new brand. Let me add brand as Uma, add new brand. Okay, after adding all these options, click on this update option. Click on this preview changes option. Let's preview the changes. So here you can see we have added the t-shirts, sale price, regular price, small short description. Let me scroll down, long description. Okay, you can also add additional information as per your requirements. You can also add reviews. Okay, extra features, SKUs. Okay, you can select the variations as per your requirement, blue small, blue medium, blue large. Okay, or else black large. Okay, so whenever you select the variations, those specified color will be visible over here. Okay, and that's how you can add all the details regarding this. Okay, so here you can see here the variations are visible in circle format. In order to change the variations from this option to this option, we need to install a plugin. So I will show you how to install that plugin. Okay, so let's go to backend and click on this plugins option. Click on this add plugin and in the search bar type. So here you need to type variation swatches option and you need to install this option like Imran Ahmed variation swatches for WooCommerce. Click on install option. After installing, click on activator. Here you can see on the top of WooCommerce option, here you can see like get Woo plugins option. Click on this swatches settings and this is the option you need to select. So after enabling it, after installing and activating it, if we visit this variable product page, let me click on this refresh option. Here these changes will be visible over here. Okay, so if you want to make this in circle type, you can select as per your requirement. Like go to product section, select this attributes option and here we are having two attributes like color attribute and size attribute. You can click on this color attribute, click on edit option and here you can select the type as select the type. If you want to select the type as this is a color attribute, I want to select the color type as color. Okay, let me select the type as color and click on update option. After selecting that type as color and go to back to attributes. Okay, and you need to configure the terms. Okay, click on this configure terms and for the black you need to select the black color. Click on edit option and for the black you need to select the black color and click on update. Okay, back to color attributes and again for red, click on edit. For red color you need to select the red color. In the color section, click on red color. Okay, update and go to back to color attributes and for blue color you need to select the blue color. Click on edit option and here you need to select the blue color for the blue color. Okay, please do select the blue color and click on update. After selecting the type, back to color attributes and let's visit this variable product. Let me refresh this page and here you can see it will appear like this. Okay, and now let's go to attributes option and for the sizes also click on edit option. You can select the type as you can select the type as color or image or button. If you select the button option, click on update. So let me refresh this option. Here you can see the variations will be in button format. Okay, and if I select the type as like radio option, click on update, go to variable page and let me refresh this page. Here you can see these options will be visible in radio button format. Okay, you can select as per your requirement. Okay, and if you select the image option, click on update option. For this we don't need any image option. Select this color option, button option only, click on update. Okay, so let's go to back to our attributes. And for color, we can select the image option. Okay, let me refresh this page. It will be visible like this. Go to attributes and click on this color, edit this option, click on edit. And here you can select the type as image also. If you select the image, click on update. We need to add the images for the variations. Okay, back to attributes, and in the configure terms section, you can add the images. For black, click on edit, and you can upload the image, upload image, and let me select the black color image, t-shirt image, use update. Back to color attributes, and now for red, we will select red color image. Okay, click on add image, red color image, use the image, click on update. Back to color attributes, and for blue, we will select the blue color image, click on edit and click on upload. Let's edit the blue color image and click on update the blue color image. And now back to color attributes. Okay, now we have selected for each color we have selected the respective t-shirts. And let me visit this single product page, click on refresh. Here you can see the images will be visible as per their color. If I want red color image, medium, so it will be visible like this. Blue color image, blue. Black color image, black color. And it will change, prices will be changed as per their sizes. Okay, and now these are in a box format. If I want to change it in a round format, circle format, go to Woo product plugins option, click on this swatches settings and change the shape style to, and here you need to change the shape style to from square to round. Click on save changes and visit this single product page, click on refresh, and here you can see these are visible in circle format. So that's how you can select as per your requirement. So that's how we can select the variations. Okay, and you can also style this, like go to advanced settings, you can blur with cross, you can customize these stylings also, how much width it should be, how much size it should be, what is the font size. Okay, you can change all the, you can customize as per all the settings as per your requirements. As per now, I will use this default settings. Okay, that's how you can create this variable product.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.